This is Dr. Aneil Kkhare, a professional numerologist and Vastu consultant based in Dubai. Our offices are located in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, India, London, and various other parts of the world. Let's start with the number one, the sun, the leader. If your numero chart has a missing number one, it might mean low confidence, trouble with communication, or difficulty in leadership. But don't worry, there are ways to fix this. Let's learn how to bring balance and improve your life. Remedies for missing number one in numerology. Use sun related symbol means incorporate the energy of the sun into your life by wearing gold jewelry or keeping a sun symbol in your workplace. Sun salutation. Practice this yoga sequence daily to balance the energy associated with the sun and boost leadership qualities. Wear yellow or orange. These colors are associated with the sun and can help amplify the energy of number one. Seek leadership opportunities. Means take up roles where you can display initiative and leadership even in a small task to nurture the qualities of number one. Daily gratitude practice means start your day by expressing gratitude for your uniqueness and leadership potential. Focus on individual goals means set personal goals and work towards them with dedication to build confidence and independence. Activate the east direction means keep the east side of your home or workplace clean and well lit to attract sun's energy and boost personal power. Adopt affirmations. Use affirmations like I am confident, independent, and a natural leader daily to manifest the energy of number one. If your numero chart has a missing number two, it means the moon, the diplomat. It might mean lack of emotions, lack of intuitions, no emotional stability, and a feeling of unloved. Remedies for missing number two in numerology. What exactly you need to do? Okay. Strengthen moon energy. Keep a connection with the moon by spending time under moonlight, especially during the full moon. Use white or silver, means wear white or silver clothing and accessories to attract the soothing and nurturing energy of number two. Consume dairy product. Include milk and other dairy products in your diet as they are linked with the calming and nurturing qualities of the moon. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Engage in calming practice to strengthen your emotional balance and adaptability. Nurture relationship. Spend quality time with loved ones. Focus on cooperation and nurture meaningful relationships. Activate the northwest direction means keep the northwest corner of your home or workspace clean and organized to amplify harmony and balance. Aromatherapy. Burn sandalwood or jasmine incense to calm your mind and enhance intuition.